What is up, guys? We're back out with a new video. We're actually out here today and we're going to be building a chicken coop. We already have one built. We're just going to be kind of rebuilding it, renovating it, make sure it doesn't get, coons can't get into it, predators can't get into it, because we actually got some chickens at Stockdale's. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so we have officially got the food and water in there. We got some breeding boxes in there. I'm gonna put some shavings in there after we get them in there and get them comfortable. Once we get these in there, I'm gonna leave these in there for about a week, let them acclimate, and then I'm gonna let them free range during the day, and then I'm gonna let them out at night. I'm gonna put them up at night so the coons don't get them. But now we're gonna release them.
Are you scared to pick them up or something?
Dude, they look like fucking coots.
This motherfucker smacked. Yeah, I
What's up, brother?
No. Sketch.
Alright guys, we just got done building this chicken coop and moving our chickens over here in the new coop. There's a lot of content going to be coming out for them. I couldn't do it without my friends TJ and Taylor, both the guys that we fish with. A lot of content going to come out this summer with them too. So y'all stay tuned. We got some great things coming this summer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch y'all on the next one.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother.